Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Shipt app keeps crashing problem. So it is easy, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Shipt app and then in this menu tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage and cache option here, and now tap on clear cache in the bottom, and as well as clear storage option, and now tap on OK. Now the storage and the cache has been clear. So the next step is go to Google Play Store if you are using Android, and App Store if you are using iOS. And here tap on search option. Now tap on search bar on the top and search for Shipt, and now OK. Now you can see Shipt app is here, so simply tap on this, and here you will see update button option. So simply tap on update to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. If this not affects the issue, so simply tap on app support and contact this app support team. uh, so that's the method to how this will help you. Thanks.